we're going sledding.
But first I had to get the outfit right, gotta layer up, make sure we're warm and comfortable. I had to pull the Timbs out and the puff, and we was ready to go.
Did I mention this is my official first time sledding?
We finally arrived to Prospect Park and I got so excited.
I'm actually hella scared now all of a sudden.
PSA, you might bust your ass once or twice.
Going back up. I just finished sledding for the first time. My feet are completely frozen. That was